Keeping your pool clean doesn't have to be hard if you follow what the pros do. Here are 5 expert-backed tips from leading pool care brands. Run your pump at least 8 to 12 hours daily to circulate water, prevent algae, and distribute your treatments evenly. Skim debris daily, brush walls and steps every few days. And vacuum once a week to stop buildup before it starts. Maintain a pH of 7.2 to 7.6, chlorine at 1 to 3 ppm, and proper alkalinity. Test weekly to avoid cloudy water or skin irritation. Backwash or rinse your filter when the pressure rises 10 psi above normal. A clean filter, a clean pool. Shock to clear out algae and contaminants, odor, and stains, neutralizes organic matter. SolutionsHOCl Pool and Spa Bomb Cleaner, the all-natural formula that supports nearly every step of your pool care routine. That supports every step of your pool maintenance and deep cleaning and shock routine. Remove algae stain and slimy filter from the pool surface. Deodorize pool water without harsh chemicals. Safely clean pool toys, ladders, and covers. Descale filters and plumbing lines. Clean pool decks and patio furniture too. SolutionsHOCl works with hypochlorous acid, a powerful yet skin-safe cleaner that penetrates and neutralizes algae and contaminant stains and odors using an eco-friendly solutions. It's chlorine-free, pH-balanced, eco-friendly and easy to use. Just scoop, wait, and relax. Pool Bomb and the Spa Bomb cleans your pool and spa through natural oxidation. Learn more, visit SolutionsHOCl.com.